Hello, little girls. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Today, teacher is going to teach you how to make a train with paper. Okay? So, before that, let's join our hands and close our eyes for the morning offering. Oh my God, I offer you all my thoughts, words, actions, joys and sufferings of this day. Merciful Father, help me this day that my thoughts may be pure and my conduct pleasing to you. Amen. So let's start making the train. Okay, girls, to make the train, we will need one circle, then the engine part, okay. Then we will need 3 rectangles for the box, for the compartment जिसमें हम बैठते हैं, yes, in the train. And then we will need 8 wheels, 2 wheels for the engine part, 2 wheels for this compartment, 2 wheels for this and 2 wheels for this, yes. Then we will need 2 small eyes, 1 mouth and a small little triangle for the nose, yes. And over here we will need one small little rectangle for the chimney, for the smoke to come out. Then we will need these small little pieces over here for the window of the train. Okay, so now let's get ready to start designing the train. Okay, so first we will design the face. We will put the eyes, the mouth and the nose. Over here we will put the eyes. We will put it like that the engine is looking back. Okay, this is the mouth and this is the nose. Yes, so this is the face of the engine, and here we will stick it a little like that. We will stick it on this. Then we will put 2 wheels. We will put 2 wheels like this, half up and half down. Okay, half up and half down. And then we will stick this small little piece over here. Can you see this small little piece we will stick over here? So this is the engine part ready. Yes, so we'll keep this aside. Okay, now we will stick these windows like this. Yes, after sticking that, we will stick the wheels. 2 wheels we will stick on each bogie. Half up and half down. you see? We will get this ready first. Yes, can you see? Now these are the bogies ready. The compartments which we sit in. Now, first of all, we will write the date and the topic. Okay, so we will write the date. What is the date? 23-8-21, and our topic is train. TRAIN, train. Okay, so we will stick the train now here. For that we will put little Fevicol here and there, very little Fevicol, and first we will stick the train here, the engine part, and then the next bogie. We will leave a little space and stick it here. Then a little space we will leave here and stick it here. Yes, it should come straight. And then the last bogie, the last compartment will be over here. Yes. Alright, can you see your train? Now you can make the smoke. You can make the smoke coming out like this. From the train. Okay, and then you can put a little outline over here. Like that. So that is your train. Can you see? Is it looking nice? Yes? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.